So starting up, she cut out, but that was to do with the ignition that I'm having a little problem with. The little knob has broken off, so I had to drill a hole, put a pin through, and it's quite sensitive to the position. If I have it too forward, it will conk out like it just did in the previous video. So you have to turn it on and then bring it back. Choke is down. Only you needed it for a few seconds, put it down, and now she seems to be filing nice. Also freed up my telltale, which wasn't working, so thanks again to Danker Marine. Just bit of block pipe, so I took all that out and flushed it through, and it's working for the first time. And so just get it out in the water and give it a test run. Okay, thank you.